Welcome back, guys, to another chapter of my ICT journey 2022 mentorship. My trades, which I just focus mainly on few pairs, but my goal is to have like 3 pairs. So yeah, it's been like a great journey so far, and I just want to go through some of my charts and you guys to see what sort of trades I am taking. I did discover on one of the pairs that I was trading, it was pound USD. So it likes to take out liquidity, which I have seen on a number of occasions. I do take screenshots of my trades and also look at the charts very carefully. So order block, Asian lows, also break of structure below, wick below of the order block, and retest, example like a fair value gap, and you could take the trade. And also Fibonacci sequences 61.8 or 50% is the right zone. So last week was one of the best trading trades I did. Nearly probably every trade apart from one was a loser. I saw a Marabuzu candlestick pattern, which I just taken. I was about to get taken out, but I just quickly, ended the trade. So I know it was a loser. Alright, so these are some of my trades from last week. And yeah, so this is what I had marked up. So looked at the DXY. Pretty much I was looking at the daily, wicked out. So this was my setup. I did mark this on my Telegram. Where is it? Here. Sorry, I got loads of people that are on there. I had it marked right here. Where was it? Somewhere around there. Sorry, that was London. I think it was on my Discord. Yeah, it was on my Discord. I'm pretty sure I did. So yeah, the daily high, and then I had the Asian range. So I won't put that up now because it is an Asian range I do mark up. And yeah, so I was paying attention to that, going up and reject. But I think news, what happened is really, the news just pretty much wicked it out. And then I was looking at a fair value gap here. So what time was that? Yeah, 9:30 it went up. So pretty much like this. So, and then I was looking at this gap here. But anyway, I didn't see that one. So that was marked up. But yeah, going with the Euro USD. So this is one of the trades I did do. Alright. So looked at the H4. It's more like it is a downtrend, but what I looked at it is bearish. I was looking at, well, this was later on actually. What am I doing? So let's go with this one. Yeah, this is it. Alright, order block. This was the H1. H1 is a good zone to look at. Order block. Market structure shift. Look at this. Came in an order block. Went retest. What it did? It left a fair value gap. I had this marked up. And then it was another market structure shift which I saw around I was looking at the Asian lows. I was thinking, hold on a minute. The Asian lows are breaking below. So let it come to the fair value gap. This was around 9 o'clock. I took a trade right there. So 8:30 AM. This was, I normally mark this up, the candle, when it opens, NY. So it's going to go and take that out also. So it took the Asian lows out. It took the Asian highs out also. That's the Asian highs. Yeah, I had this marked up on my Telegram. On my Twitter also. Ezio FX. Somewhere around there, where was it? It was, where was it? There. That's it. That's it right there. That was on 6th of December, 11:40. And that was 11:40, I think, obviously London time, so which I am based in. Yeah, so this wicked it out, and then it went. Yeah, I was going for the last high anyway, so pretty much TP1. I took like majority of the profit on this. I normally go for the last, the high or the low, the first one that comes in mind. And then, alright, okay, so that's one of the trades. But this was like an A plus setup. Look at that, look. Pure A plus. Order block, market structure shift, comes and retest. And this one I had, I think it was pretty much, I know I did a fib somewhere. It was a Fibonacci sequence. Yeah, I was looking at it here, 61.8. And then went straight out. And the retest, look, it's doing something again here, look. If you look at this, Asian lows have been taken out. But obviously, it is Sunday, and I'm just recording this. 8:30, we can leave that to the side for now. And then pretty much I might retest here or here. So these are two of the zones. I'll probably mark my weekly charts in a little while. Alright. Let's have a look at another pair that I did. Okay. There we go. Same setup. Same thing again. Order block. That was a market structure shift. It was a BOS bottom it was, but yeah, so here, order block, another one. OB taken out. Order block taken out, that was entry, but I didn't enter from here. I was looking at this, but then it came another sort of zone. From here I entered and then went straight up from here. But it was kind of like a high OB, so I went for the last low. I know it was going to go up and then retest. But then what happened? It did it again. Retest, take the order block out. So now it's an ICT trade. So pretty much I was looking at this, but then, yeah, I did, what was it I marked up here? I think it was, I was here. This, yeah, here we go. That's the one, 61.8. Confidence rate. I did have this marked up, but I didn't enter this one. This is one of them. So that's 2 Euro USD. AED CAD. This was this I had this marked up. I didn't take this trade, and this one I didn't take as well. So this was on a Friday. NFP, pretty much. I was confident this will break above top. It's taken an order block, taken the retail traders out, and left. It was a fair value gap one. I think it was. Yeah, there we go. This was the one on a minute 30, and then pretty much this happened around I think 9:30, 10, yeah, and then went down. I knew it was going to go down, so it was given the trend to sell. But this was on a Friday. I wasn't trading on a Friday. And there's another one. This one, rinse and repeat. This is the loss I was telling you about. Yeah, I don't know. I should have bought it from here, but it was my mistake. I was out and about. And pretty much, I don't know, I was talking to someone, or, you know, you shouldn't take a trade while you're pretty much out and about, and then my focus wasn't 100% there. And then, yeah, so it was from here, and then, man, taking me out. That was the early loss, and then this one, buy and sell. OB, come a retest on there, break above, Asian highs, then it's going to head towards Asian lows. So this was the order block I was looking. Market structure shift, I had that marked up. Another one, look, straight up. I was going to the last low right here, but normally what happens, yeah, this one, I'm going to get out. Any last low I see, I know it's going to come a retest on the zone that I did enter. So that's 1, 2, 1 loss, 3, 4, 5, and then, yeah, 5. Alright, let's have a look at this one. I think it was, yeah, this is another one. I had 6, I had, yeah, trades. All winners, look, all. OB. That went, had that marked. So from here I entered, went straight up. This was, I know it was 61.8, I think it was. Let's have a look, it was. I know I went to a high to low. Yes, somewhere around there it was. And then entered. Hold on, it was. I did a Fibonacci sequence. Yeah, from here to the last high. This was another one, winner. So have a look at this one. Yeah, order block, market structure shift, let it come and wick it out. So liquidity has taken the order block out. What happens next? 11:45 at 10. Look there, right there. Bullish engulfing. Bang, on a fire rally gap. I went straight up. TB1, I hit it. Yeah, so this was like a solid A+ trade week I had. And yeah, so hopefully you can learn on this one. I will get more videos out and you can have a look. So I will come up with my strategy, which you can see. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, we carry on with the vlog. There is not a single trader out there that has a full, you know, if you take 5 trades, 5 are winners. There's always going to be a break even, or, you know, a few wins and 1 losses. But yeah, so this last week was probably one trade I did, I'll just say I lost it, but I did cut it loose. So I had a small drawdown, and which I ended it. But the rest 3 to 4 trades I did were right on target. So pretty much I was looking at Euro USD pair. Canadian dollar does correlate with oil. That's one of the sort of currency pairs. AUD CAD is one of those pairs that it goes nicely on zones, so which I do like to trade. It is a slow pair, but it's one of those pairs that actually goes right on target. And then, example, if you see a order block and it wicks it out, or, you know, is on a zone break below, it's nice. It's a quite a nice pair, but it's a slow pair. Euro USD is probably, I would say, one of my fast pairs, and I do like trading that one. This year I did added AUD USD. So that pair has, I think when I first started I used that pair a lot, but I had more losses on that pair than wins. So I just taken it out my trading pair. So I have a red pair which I do take. There's about Euro USD, Pound USD, AUD CAD, AUD USD, US oil. That's for just confluences. That just correlates with the Canadian dollar. And my focus is mainly the pairs that I do trade. So I might cut 1 or 2 pair off, probably in the near future. But if it's giving me profits, then I'll just stick with them. But at the moment they are fine, so I have no problem at all. So I won't add any other pairs because you want to master the few pairs that you have, and then go with that one. Yeah, so I got another. I'm looking at, you know, Nasdaq mini, but it moves really fast, especially with gold, and you got you know, the German index, S&P 500. They are fast mover unless I backtest them. So I did go last week. I was around London area. I did take 1 trade up there, you know, which was a winner, solid winner. And there was 1 pair that I think it was AUD CAD. It was a pair on a Friday. I saw it. It was NFP. I was 100% sure that it will, you know, just drop, which it did. But my rule is that I don't trade Friday. And if I did trade, it would be a very less lot size, but more likely in 2025 I will cut Friday off. I just don't want to trade on a Friday. So I got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's enough, 4 days. And then Monday is one of the slowest days, I would say, of trading. But yeah, so my trading journey is going quite good. And I just want to know what your trading journey is, and if you got any sort of thoughts, what sort of videos I should make, but just let me know. But yeah, it's been a great week. So I always do a recap on my videos, what is good, what is bad. But most of my trades are on Ezio FX on X, which is Twitter, and then I do post it on my Discord, which is free, on a link below that you can see on my description of this video. Also Telegram. So I post majority of my trades there. I did start learning in 2022, but I get to know about the trading was through a friend in 2019. But it was a journey that I thought I was not gonna go ahead with, because I thought trading is gambling, which I thought you have to do a course, or you have to do a degree or some sort of level like that. But my trading journey started with a friend actually seeing someone on YouTube. He was flipping, I don't know, 5k to 100k, and from there I thought it's a fluke, man. I don't want to get involved. It's gambling. I just leave it. So we were playing tennis, and he said, mate, just go ahead. And there's this book. I think the first book I did read about Forex was Anna Cooling, How to Trade Forex. It's on Amazon. You could just find it. And then from there I read it once. I did not understand. I read it again. Kind of got it. The third time, okay, fine. Then he goes, candlestick patterns, look at charts, look at trade view. Okay, start following it, marking it up. Pretty much had a demo account, was pretty much just buying and selling. If it was going down, I was buying it up, and then if it was going down, I was buying it up as well. Yeah, it was just playing around, getting used to it. And then lockdown happened, and it was a time when he was making profit from from £100 to 500 to £1,000. He was following a strategy: triangles, wedges, inverse head and shoulders, like a retail trader. I started to learn about that as well. So yeah, throughout the time I wasn't sport and resistance zones, highs and lows, but Fibonacci. So I learned a lot from YouTube videos and stuff like that. But then I wasn't really good at retail. But then I came across myself. I saw few YouTubers using like Hannah Forex and Michael Bamber. They were using ICT concepts, so they have adapted it in. I thought, okay, order blocks are not working now. I did start learning about them. I get to know about the order blocks, but then it got to a time order blocks were just getting wicked out. Okay, what's going on here? Maybe it's a wrong sort of order block. Then I came across ICT, Inner Circle Trader 2022. And from there, I went on the 2022 model. I am learning the market makers. So I got a few more series that I will add in my list, probably Christmas time. And then from there, yeah, I just started taking notes, soaking in. Another book I do mention a lot is this one here. Unlocking Success in ICT 2022 Mentorship by Lumi Traders. She's on YouTube. She does live streaming. So it's one of those sort of traders that you should keep an eye out. So I saw her on Twitter, and then she used to post a lot of diagrams, descriptions. I go, wow, this is perfect. I am learning about the ICT. I'm taking notes. She has the notes already there. But the good thing you have to, one thing you have to do actually about taking notes is have your own notes. Go over it. So whatever you write down on a piece of paper, when I mean not just on a computer, write it down. Get a book, diary. I have got a notebook upstairs which I forgot to bring it down. next video I'll let you see that one. And then yeah, so it's like a half of the book is filled up with notes that I have been taking. Whatever time I would get, I would just watch a video, write notes, and then, you know, take it from there. That's when I started to pick up things. A lot of stuff I didn't see in the charts, I started to notice. And yeah, so the journey from order blocks to ICT and start tweeting it up, and then yeah, going through it, it was quite good. So fair value gaps, imbalances, which they call them, it's made a big difference. So there's about 3 confluences I do take on a trade. I will be making in the future, I will be making like a PDF, you know, a file, but I am just currently on, I think it's about 65% win rate. I want to get it up to about 80, which I will. But taking 1 trade a day does help. So just take the 80+ trades. Another book I am reading, it is sort of Market Wizards. So all the traders are in there. I was recommended by a Forex trader to read this one, but I did see this book by Jack Squagger. Yeah, he's interviewed a lot of our traders. So I have a passion about trading, and learning about other traders will help me in my goal to be a full-time trader. So yeah, so that is the goal. And if you're trying to learn, make sure you cut off all the distractions, all the stress, WhatsApp groups, or if you got any sort of, you know, social media, you know, you're basically, you know, you're looking at negative stuff, it's gonna mess your mindset up. My advice is just to stay away from the social media sites, or, you know, anything negativity. Even TikTok is, you know, a lot of seen a lot of people use it. I don't personally use it. I do post some videos on there, but I never look at it. It becomes like a habit, and the more habit you got, less on the phone, more on books, on learning stuff, you will progress to another level to be a full-time trader or a part-time trader, or, you know, whatever sort of lifestyle you think it suits you. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your lovely comments behind, and please do let me know what video I should make next. So thank you. So see you.